All right, this last one. Ahmed is deciding what to order at the ice cream shop. So Ahmed's at an ice cream shop. Yay. If you like thinking about sprinkles on top. All right. He can choose a chocolate cone, dish, plain cone, or waffle cone. And he can have mint or vanilla ice cream. He can have caramel, hot fudge, raspberry, or cherry sauce. And he can choose cookies or chocolates as a topping. All right. He can pick one cone. All right. One cone. He can pick one cone, one flavor, one sauce, and one, this should say topping, and one topping. What are the possible outcomes that Ahmed can order? All right, let's go back to our problem and see what our available options are for cones. We have a chocolate cone, a dish, so you don't want a cone, you want it in a dish, a plain cone, or a waffle cone. The flavor, and he can have mint or vanilla ice cream. So I have mint or vanilla ice cream. He can have caramel. I'll put A for caramel. Let me just list that there so it makes sense this time. Hot fudge. Notice how I'm keeping record so that I don't repeat any letters so I don't get confused. Hot fudge, raspberry, or cherry. I'm going to put an E for that. So I already have a C and I already have an H. That's cherry. And he can choose cookies or chocolate chips. I'll put an O for cookies. And I will put an L for chocolate chips. Don't ask me why I picked it, but I did. Chocolate chip. All right. The way we set this up is we go to our first event. How many outcomes? 4. List them. List the outcomes of the first event. C, D, P, W. All right, go to the next event. How many outcomes? 2. So draw 2 branches below each letter. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and list them. M, V, M, V, M, V, M, V. All right, go to the next event. How many outcomes there? 4. So draw 4 branches below each of those letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This ain't kind of messy, so please be very careful. And that I have A, H, R, E, A, H, R, E, A, H, R, E, A, H, R, E, and you get the point. All we're doing is seeing a pattern of repeated reasoning here. And then I go to the last event. There are 2 outcomes, so I'll draw 2 branches below each letter. And as we can see here, it gets kind of hairy. Very tedious and time consuming, but this is how you do it. It's going to get very messy. All right. We're going to list OL below each of them. OL, 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 OL. I don't think you'd ever be asked this question with this many outcomes, but if you were, you'd know how to do it. Okay, now to list these outcomes, we're going to simply connect the branches and say the outcomes. So it's C hyphen M hyphen A hyphen O. Next one would be C hyphen M hyphen A hyphen L. Next one, C hyphen M hyphen H hyphen O. If you notice here, all I'm doing is making sure that all the branches get connections. And if I've already taken care of one entire branch, I'm just going to branch out to the next one. C hyphen M hyphen H hyphen L, C hyphen M hyphen R hyphen O, C hyphen M hyphen R hyphen L, C hyphen E hyphen O hyphen L, and you get the point. We'd go all the way through until we get to W hyphen V hyphen E hyphen L. And as you can see, there are a lot here. So we should have 4 times 2 times 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 8 is 64. So I should have 64 different possible outcomes here. And if I kept on doing that, I could get 64 possible outcomes listed on the bottom here. All right? It would start with C hyphen M hyphen A hyphen O and continue all the way through to W hyphen V hyphen E hyphen L. All right. You made it through. Thank you for your time, and good luck with listing possible outcomes for compound events. Have a good one.